Here are some of the parts I have. Here's one tailgate. This right here is one front fender, which is actually pretty straight. This is a bed, the front side of the bed. There's a motherboard. Right here is the underhood piece where the latch is, as well as two more right there. Also, this under here is one more rear fender, and there is the other rear fender that matches it. Also, another good front fender, which is also a second passenger side. Here's another third passenger side fender. And there's another driver's side. And that passenger side fender also has the inner fender on it.